Another application of the t-shirt transfer paper is printing disposable tablecloths. Now the eagle eye of you would notice that something is wrong with this one. Even us, when we are very experienced with this product, occasionally make a mistake. So we printed an image here, but we forgot the mirror mode. The correct way of doing it is that, so we have the same image but mirrored. Once we print, it's especially important when you're doing text. Once we transfer it onto the substrate, everything will come the correct way around. As in all transfer applications, best practice is to remove as much of the white excess as you can, just very roughly, but as close as you can to the image, leaving about a 5mm white border. So if you have a birthday party and you want to personalize the table and make it a little bit more fun, a little bit more funky, a little bit more individual, you can take t-shirt transfer paper, print an image on it. Then, as always, we're using a hard surface. I'm not using an ironing board. I'm not using the table because I'm worried about the heat resistance of it. So we're using a hard cutting board. It can be plastic or wood, anything which is heat resistant. I'm going to line it again with a t-shirt just to give it a little bit of give, to make sure if there's any imperfections in the substrate we're printing, that it's going to be ironed out. We just bought a £1.99 tablecloth, table paper from anywhere really, nothing special about it. Obviously you would plan exactly where you're going to put it. I'm just going to put it anywhere on the paper. Face down with the image. This is ordinary paper, I'll just prove it to you. Ordinary paper tablecloth that we got from a party shop. We're taking the image that we've printed in mirror mode, face down. The iron that has been heated for at least 5 minutes, no steam, and we're using quite a strong iron. You need to use anything above about 1500, 1600 watts, and iron away. Now with a t-shirt or a garment or anything that is going to be printed, that is going to be washed rather, we're going to take real care about ironing it until the green spots go brown. The green spots going brown is an indication that enough heat has been transferred, but on this occasion, because it's paper, it's disposable, we don't need to take as much time over it, so about 30 seconds. Let it cool a little bit. There's no panic here because you can peel this paper when it's cold as well. And when ready, remove it. And here you have a tablecloth, personalized. You buy a very cheap tablecloth, you can make it into something a little bit more funky. You can put pictures of the birthday girls. We don't like putting children's images on the videos, but it can be pictures of the birthday of the party girl or boy or anything else. You can you're only limited by your imagination, and this is an ordinary paper tablecloth. You would dispose of it, but with the transfer paper you're making the table into something a lot more interesting for not a lot of expense.